Mission 3G. Build India to serve the world.
Hey, I'm Dinesh Kumar CN and I'm currently pursuing my Electronics and Communication Engineering. The purpose of this activity is to understand the concept of shadows, and I've used the burglar alarm model to explain it. Here I've used the passive IR sensor, the Arduino Uno board and a buzzer. The IR sensor, it is used to detect the heat around it as well as the motion around it. It is used in applications such as the supermarket doors, elevator doors and in animal tracking. So when I connect the circuit and I move my hand around, we immediately get a beep indicating the occurrence of a theft.
Mission 3G. Build India to serve the world.